Halamak, problema, cerita, mari-mari. Podcast tiga kepala talking story heavy. Rules 80 neural breakdown macam ops pasukan. Drama gelak and lessons got your mind sharpen. Teh tarik vibe sembang malam pekat kuat. Singapura punya streets where the topics erupt. Satu episode panas macam chili dalam sup. Tapi ada moral hidden, get your squad to fill cup. Halamak, masalah semua kita pecahkan. Kehidupan harian, drama sini kecokan. Ada gelak, ada tangis, korang boleh relak. Hidup penuh warna, life lessons we unpack.
Selamat datang kembali ke podcast yang paling bermasalah di Singapura. Halamak Problema bersama saya, Rus in the Hizzle.
Wadi di sini.
Kenapa saya mengatakan podcast yang paling bermasalah di Singapura? Pasal memang masalah lah daripada A to Z. Betul tak, Dil?
Well, ni aku boleh katakan satu dugaan lah. Bukan je apa ni kita ceritakan pasal masalah orang. Tapi dalam podcast kami sendiri pun ada masalah kami sendiri.
Yeah, and as you can see, we are just diving straight into the issues that we are facing right now lah. Adil, you want to kickstart on some of the underlying issues that we have? Okay,
so first of all, kalau korang perasan, kat sini kita...
Sorry.
Kalau korang perasan, sini kita ada 2 orang je tinggal. Okay. Salah satu anggota kami harus menarik diri atas ada sebab sendiri. Lagi satu adalah atas komitmen di mana kebanyakannya aku yang tak boleh nak bagi komitmen sangat atas masalah yang aku tengah jalani. Okay. Jadi itu salah satu punca lah. Dan juga atas dasar timing bekerja aku, ni semualah yang memunculkan masalah dalam podcast kami. Nah, itulah.
Yeah, this sorry, kuat sangat. Memang I would say most of the times aku rasa frustrated because from between us three, I'm the one who's the most free in terms of my hours aku yang paling flexible, as you know, Dil. So banyak benda yang aku memang boleh commit. And not only that, like when it comes to like creating contents or producing contents, if it requires like a bit of a financial assistance or whatsoever, usually I'll be the one who will dive in straight lah. Kira aku yang sponsor lah most of the stuff over here. Alright, bukan nak show off, tapi itu memang kenyataan lah. So aku ni selaku ketua HPA ni, memang aku rasa kecewa. Tapi aku tak boleh buat apa-apa. Pasal I cannot be selfish. And aku suddenly lost focus pula. Because we started this as a form of hobby lah. Let's be honest. Aku tahu kita dah story ni a few times, but I'm just gonna say again. It all started from when Aidil first bikin TikTok live. Dia tarik aku, lepas tu dia punya viewers macam bilang suggest, korang dua nak kena bikin podcast lah. Then me being the most stable, I would say, aku bankroll lah barang-barang, audio interface, mikrofon, ini semua. And even though kita belum monetize sangat, kita belum buat duit sangat, alhamdulillah we were on a upward trajectory. And then as recent as last month, kita secure space, barang-barang dah ada, everything was going in our way. And then everything was going well in our way. And then there were also like one or two people, diorang tanya, aku nak letak aku punya company dalam korang punya podcast
So call macam
mana,
nak letak nama company diorang lah.
yeah. Sponsor lah senang kata. So I was all ready to discuss business and all that. Out of all of us, aku yang sedikit sebanyak tahulah pasal the rates, prepare deck and all that. Tapi itulah, over the past 1 or 2 weeks, suddenly the energy between the three of us shifted. For the lack of a better term, no, I don't know what she went through, but it was affecting her mental. It was affecting her mental health. And then for you, Dil, kau pun recently start kerja baru. Habis tu kau macam terlampau sibuk.
Terlampau sibuk and timing aku ni macam tak terurus lah.
Yeah, and initially I thought, I did something wrong to them because I was thinking, diorang dua tak balas akunya WhatsApp ke apa ke, aku dah buat salah ke? To the point where I had to call Aidil up, then I not say confronted, I just macam clarify lah, Dil, aku dah buat salah ke kat korang? Yeah, because as you know, sometimes behind the scenes kalau aku macam revise the contents with you guys, I tend to get a bit macam pushy ke, macam semangat lah. Yeah. So Dil, did I do anything to make the both of you mad?
Tak adalah. Kalau untuk aku okey, Nobo okey sebenarnya. Cuma apa yang No went through ke apa kita tak tahu. Okay, mungkin kita pun tadi nak sebut kat dalam podcast ni pasal kita have to respect the privacy. So untuk aku okey, pasal aku dengan Zai dah lama, we go long way back.
Yeah.
Since army lagi.
We've been friends for what, 11 years?
Yeah, close to 11 years.
Yeah.
Habis reservis pun sama, gini semua sama. So bagi aku tak ada apa-apa pun yang tergoleskan hati aku ke apa. Pasal bila dia maki aku maki dia balik. Dia maki aku maki dia balik. So macam bagi aku dah macam dah lali tau.
Yeah, no lah, just that at that point of time, I think it's just my intrusive thoughts lah, kata aku, aku ni ada buat salah ke apa? Pasal setahu aku memang aku bukan seorang yang buat hanya orang. I'm not a people pleaser, but then I don't remember doing anything bad to make people angry or what lah. Yeah, sometimes I do my own stuff and then I just fuck off from there.
Mungkin kat sini kita kena inform diorang lah
Both me and Aidil had a talk about this, and as much as I want to continue this, unfortunately, I would say in short, for the best solution for everybody is to put this podcast journey on a hiatus lah. We are not stopping it permanently, fingers crossed, who knows, but we are putting it on a hiatus. Reason being, number one, Aidil has his own sets of problems, not only like personal wise, but also his health. Aku tak nak aku tak nak divulge sikit pasal kau punya health issues, but I would say you should prioritize that more lah. And then secondly, timing wise, he won't be able to come down to the space to record podcast sesuka hati dia macam aku. And when it comes to Noor, I'll be honest, I like her. She's an integral part of our of our podcast. Walaupun otak dia masuk air pun, it is very very sad lah that she no longer wants to be a part of us, but she wants to pull out, to focus on herself, which I understand. Who am I to say macam janganlah no, jangan. I'll be honest, I even offered to macam pay her, and even I even offered to pay you just to take part just to take part in coming on board for podcast contents, TikTok contents, and then just fuck off. But then I believe money doesn't solve everything. So with a heavy heart, I would like to announce that this is going to be the last episode that we are going to record for a foreseeable future. Might be 2 months, might be 6 months, might be a year, I don't know.
Kita tak tahu dalam berapa lama kita akan pause untuk HBA. Sayang gila. Dan bagi aku ni ada satu journey yang ada ups and down kita. Mungkin sekarang ni kita punya down. Ini HBA ni adalah baby kita. Okay, aku dengan Zai. Aku masih ingat lagi mana dia kat rumah aku sampai pukul 2-3 pagi. Brainstorm. Fikir nak beli apa itu semua kan. Dan daripada dari anggota lama, dia ada sampai ada masalah, kita terpaksa lepaskan dia. Then ambil No pun ada masalah dia juga. So sayang lah. Aku cakap sayang gila. So terus terang semangat Zai dengan aku ada
beza. Like I mentioned during our 1 year episode, cara aku nak naikkan ataupun cara komitmen aku untuk ini podcast or our content creation journey, aku dah at a running pace. Unfortunately for the both of you, korang dua not say jalan lah, masih nak merangkak. So kita me and him, kita tak sama wavelength, unfortunately. As of now, it's very difficult for us to meet in the middle. I cannot go down to his level. He obviously cannot match mine. So in order to avoid any disputes ke, gaduh ke, frustration ke apa ke, aku rasa it's best for us to put a pause onto this lah. I'll be honest, sebelum ni aku dah plan a list of contents that we were gonna do. TikTok contents, YouTube contents, whatever. I have a list. And I'll be honest, I was looking forward to doing it with you guys. Enjoy talking about this, laugh and all that. English episodes, people have been asking, hey, you should interview this person, blah blah blah, and all that. And given that we just secured a new space, I was looking forward to do everything under the sun to make our podcast fly. But unfortunately, things happen. So dengan berhatilah, aku akan umumkan kita akan go for a long hiatus. Like I say, might be a few months, might be a year, I don't know. Berat hati ni, tapi itulah, memang adalah liku-liku dugaan yang kita kena tempuh. Ini adalah salah satu dugaan untuk HBA. Walaupun HBA ni adalah take months untuk set up ni benda kan. Mean like be stable, super stable. I would say took 1 year, bro. Took 1 year to be super stable in terms of everything.
Dengan ada space semua. Tapi yalah, dugaan ni bukan kita yang nak kan. Tak ada orang minta pun ada dugaan macam ini. Well, aku percaya dekat luar sana podcaster lain pun ada juga go through the same thing macam gini. Jadi mungkin sekarang ni is HBA kena. So
lumrah hidup lah. It is what it is. Tetapi let's not be sad for a while. Ini cuma sekadar podcast je yang kita akan pause. Maybe kalau kita ada time, YouTube masih up. InsyaAllah.
Memang aku pun look forward to macam travel log pula.
Yalah, travel log lah. Ya. Travelog.
Bukan vlog.
Sama lah. Travelog lah. Yeah, so definitely podcast, kita akan put a hiatus, but YouTube content insyaAllah kalau ada masa we can go for it. Yeah, because doing YouTube contents is not say tak ada komitmen, tapi dia senang sikit, tak payah nak set up portrait lah, tu lah, ni lah. We can just do it on the fly, blah blah blah, and then we can just go for it.
Still kita akan buat something lah, insyaAllah. Pasal sekarang ni kita nak cari balik that bara, that fire yang dah pudar, orang cakap.
God damn bro, fire yang pudar lah. Ya.
Api yang sudah pudar.
Ya. Pasal aku sendiri sambil tunggu korang untuk nak ready ini semua, aku punya fire dengan semangat pun dah makin lama makin turun. Yeah. So I don't want to be a point where I want to force myself to do this. No, I want to enjoy doing this. In fact, I enjoy doing this. Just that when all the problems comes left, right, front, center, not to me in general. Yeah, semangat pun down. So yalah. Dil, any last words? Sabah. Kita dah nak masa ni.
Okay. Untuk viewers, untuk listener yang kat luar sana, yang korang masih lagi support kita walaupun kita ni tak pastikan bila sah, orang cakap lah.
Okay lah, kita dah upgrade pergi sardin lah.
Pergi sardin lah. Walaupun kita masih sardin lagi, tapi korang still dengar podcast kita, layan konten-konten kita ni semua. Thank you so much. And pada siapa-siapa yang masih tanya aku, Di dah tak buat live ke? Gini-gini semua. Yes, aku bukan tak nak, tapi masa tak menentukan. Sebab aku kerja malam, and aku punya off day pun aku kena rest cukup pasal atas dasar kesihatan aku. Jadi jadi kalau siapa yang tanya tu, minta maaf sangat-sangat, aku dah lama tak buat live. And to HPA listener and viewers, thank you so much support, and continue to support kita. InsyaAllah kalau kita jumpa balik api yang dah pudar tu, kita akan kembali insyaAllah. Sebab ini adalah baby aku dengan Zai, where kita plan sampai pukul 2-3 pagi. Kalau siapa tengah tengok TikTok aku salah satu konten tu memang aku upload tu. So continue to support us. InsyaAllah kita akan come back.
Yeah. Then last one, last words from me. Do continue to watch our episodes on YouTube and listen to us on Spotify. And kalau if let's say our episodes bikin korang ketawa ke, even at the slightest bit, aku nak ucapkan terima kasih lah. Alhamdulillah lah. We don't have millions of streams or millions of viewers or whatever, but if let's say a certain portion of our episodes ke bikin korang ketawa ke ataupun hiburkan korang, aku sangat-sangat berterima kasih. Aku sangat teruja lah, korang kata. Okay. Even though HPA is gonna take a pause, I might be reviving my own fitness podcast on the side, so do watch out for the space lah, I would say. Alright. Okay.
Pun continue, kalau Zai ada buat podcast lain semua, korang terus support. Okay. Walaupun ketiadaan aku, still korang boleh support Zai, pasal dia pun part of HPA. Okay. And untuk korang yang macam tadi saya cakap, kalau adalah salah satu episod kita ataupun konten kita tu yang buatkan korang senyum ke, senang kata make your day, thank you so much sebab tengok video kita walaupun kita cuma sardin.
Yeah.
Okay. So thank you so much guys.
No, and sorry, and one more thing, kalau ada apa-apa konten kita yang aku terkasar bahasa ke, ataupun banyak terkasar bahasa yang korang marah ke apa ke, ataupun tak puas hati, aku nak minta maaf lah kalau konten-konten kita doesn't meet to your standards. Macam like I did mention, kita masih sardin lagi. We are still learning as we go along. Nobody is perfect. So
aku pun nak minta maaf dari orang sampai ujung kaki kalau andai kata salah satu konten kami ada terguris hati ataupun membuat seseorang itu terasa. Aku nak minta maaf dari ujung rambut sampai ujung kaki. Itu semua hanyalah konten, dan aku harapkan sesiapa yang terasa dengan kita, haraplah korang boleh maafkan kita orang. Kita pun manusia biasa yang melakukan kesilapan. And kepada Noh, hope you are doing well, and hopefully you are doing well lah. Aku just lost of my word.
From me, no, if stay strong. If let's say aku ada buat salah dengan kau ke apa ke, aku nak minta maaf dengan 10 jari, dengan 10 kaki sekali kalau nampak. Okay. Sorry. Aku tahu sometimes aku punya expectations tinggi. Aku kadang-kadang cara aku berbual tu dah macam marah. Aku pernah buat dia nangis bib. Tapi okay, jokes aside, I appreciate what you have done for HPA over the past 1 year. Contributing ideas dengan kau punya gelagat yang masuk air. That what makes HPA lah.
Kalau dah okey nak patah balik HPA, bila pintu sentiasa terbuka. And walaupun kita tengah apa tadi buat dia tu?
Hayai.
Wow kau.
Hiatus.
And kita still tunggu No kembali lah. Kalau No sudi kembali, sebab kita perlukan kepala yang masuk air juga.
Yes, correct. Yes.
Kita susah nak dapatkan pair yang kita dah build tu. So
apa? Chemistry
yang kita dah build. So hopefully once you are okay, balik just WhatsApp us.
Yeah, okay. Dengan itu, shall we end this episode? Right, once again, for the hopefully not for the last time, Rus in the Hazel.
Aku ID kat sini.
Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.